The Intercultural Sounds and Movement project aims to provide individual participants with capacity building to build confidence and enhance knowledge and skills through music making activities. Through group activities, the participants will participate in culturally rich and imaginative experiences that are both creative and enjoyable. The ICSM ran weekly intercultural sounds and movement sessions on Tuesdays, where people with disabilities can share their knowledge and learn about music and traditional dances from trainers and other members of the group. The project aims to build the personal capacity, welfare, and resilience of women and men with disability, their families, and carers from culturally and linguistically diverse backgrounds and non-English speaking backgrounds by creating a fun, safe, and inclusive space to encourage social participation.
I joined EMDA 8 years ago, but I just active recently because I like music, dancing. Even I don't know dancing, but I still like it, and meet new friends in this group. For the future, I keep coming back because I very enjoy with this group.
I've been the member MDAA. When I came here, people they very kind, respect, and they not judge you. And when you share your attitude or problem, they don't look you different at their eyes, still same kind, and they always have smile on their face. And I feel happy when I came here, and I truly believe that my private mental health not been spread in like bad mouth. So I feel really safe when I have energy, and I feel good. I came here and I can stay here all day. We go home with dignity because no one judge you. You can like stop addicted alcohol or gambling. Sometimes I just show up because I don't have nowhere to go, and I just come here to find the support about mental. Even they just give me the word, but it good more than diamond or gold or money.
For me, it was a very freeing experience because I never thought I could teach someone else dancing. And I also learned new instruments, about new musical instruments that I didn't know existed in different cultures. So it was a very freeing experience and a very healing one. I think also because it was a very personal journey for some people, it's been a very good fun program to get your anxieties out of the system.
Why I come was because I learned everything. I learned it might be big or might be small, but I learn something every time I come here. And I get a lot of appreciation out of the place because I see people worse off than me doing better than me. So it lifts up my spirits and gives me courage. No, I really like coming here.
First time I hold an uncle and dancing, and it's good also for the health. I've been diagnosed with breast cancer twice. So it's good, like you have outlet outside, not all the time at home.
But now slowly, as you can see that he's very confident now, and he can sing and he can dance, yes. Only can do it at home, but never in front of everyone. But now, since he's joining this music therapy and all, I think he's more confident. I can see already is improving, socializing. It's not like before, he just sit aside. Even when the first 2 sessions, I think the 3rd session that he began to join, really have confidence to join.
With the advent of the pandemic COVID-19, activities that usually happened on Tuesdays had to cease, and we had to move to an online engagement model.
Is, you don't have to go out and spend a fortune. That would be, standing up, right?
We also had a WhatsApp group page where members were able to interact using text messages and communicate about activities that were happening in ICSM during the lockdown. ICSM officers ensured that there was emotional support for all participants. There were also special Zoom sessions on Mondays and Thursdays for special dance lessons. It was a refreshing time. After a long time of isolation, some members of ICSM got together at the Narrajinji Park to have a picnic, take pictures, play music, dance, and be together again, just like the normal Tuesday sessions. Finally, to wrap up the Intercultural Sounds and Movements project, there was a little get-together at the office in Granville for just a few participants, while others joined from home on Zoom.
Whole the night was to take the rest, but I was alone in the thick forest. Blew great wind and I collided the dust. Thirsty soul could not find way just. Disability is not a curse, do not take as a dust. My ability is blessing and promote a happy crust.
I was born in the beautiful land of Mumbai. Dad was a teacher and Mum was a dancer. The love I got from my family was rare. Being with a disability required special care. We moved to New Zealand as a family. My mum quit dancing to care for me. Visual impairment and cerebral palsy. I just wanted to be happy and free.
feel so happy, tired, and excited.
Excited, enjoying, hopeful.
Yes, I just want to say goodbye for everyone, but I am so sad to leave this group. But anyway, God bless all of us. Thank you for your company.
I believe we have another session and we will come back.
I feel blessed and I feel very happy to be with all of you here, and I wish you the best.
It was my first time, but I think it was really nice event and activity for them.
I love it, and it was the best. Thank you, Daniel.
Thank you very much. It was beautiful, a lot of fun. Thanks for everyone in the group, and I'm waiting to have another one coming on the way. Music is the best for the life. Thank you. Thanks. We have a lot of fun. Thank you, Daniel. Thanks, everyone.
The project was really good in terms of me getting to know different participants and working with them and making a difference in their life. Thank you.
Hi, I'm so happy to be part of this, and I really enjoyed a lot with all the people, and I got to know so many dance forms with different people, and I just enjoy it. Thank you.
Happy, enjoy. I don't want to say goodbye.
Thank you, ILC, for the contribution and allow us to be happy and also have a social connection. And this is the way that we can have a social interaction and also to boost mental health in the community. Thank you, ILC.
I just would like to thank everyone for sticking through with the project. You know how we had challenges, and you were still here, although we had to do it by Zoom. But still, I appreciate really your input and your contribution to make this project a success. So unfortunately, this will be ending. But meanwhile, the Women's Network will be inviting you for future activities. So enjoy and see you around. Thank you.
Thank you.